Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to Forex. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best trading strategy Forex using price action only. No indicators, no moving averages, no RSI, no MACD. Just raw chart trading, the way the market was meant to be traded. And I promise you, if you master this strategy, you will stop doing random entries, stop chasing price, and you will start catching clean trends like a sniper. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to show you how to enter the market with perfect timing and how to avoid the number one mistake that makes traders lose in trending markets. Let's go. So first things first, a lot of traders say that the market is bullish or the market is bearish, but they don't actually know what a trend is. A trend is simply market structure. An uptrend is higher highs and lower and higher lows, and a downtrend is lower lows and lower highs. That's it. If the market is making higher highs and higher lows, buyers are in control. And if the market is making lower lows and lower highs, sellers are in control. So before you ever press a trade, your job is simple. Identify who is controlling the market. So for example, here, if you're to look on this chart, we are having the market creating a higher high at this zone here, and then it is creating a higher low at this point here. So price is shooting upwards from this higher low, and it is creating a new higher high at this point here. So here we can say that buyers are in control. So we have our first trend here and second move here. So buyers are in what? Are in control. So we are having our pullback, retesting this zone here. So we are seeing that price respected this area previously here, leaving a zone of support. And at this point here, we are having price retesting that zone. Okay, so I think here I'm right to take a buy. I'm gonna be taking a buy, and my stop loss is below this zone here. Take profit and be on the previous high. So as simple as that, we have traded in line with a dominant market move. So if you're enjoying these videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and always have our ebook. You can check it out, and you learn how to trade exactly like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.